What up, guys, with Christmas lights? I just wanted to show you some Christmas lights here in Pigeon Forge. These are some different types of Christmas lights. I've really never seen them, but they're pretty cool, and I wanted to just show them to you. And so you can see here that they are like, each little one has its own light right here. So you can see it has several lights, and that's what they did all the way up and around with the pure whites. You can see that it's just a pixel at the end of it. Pixel, and it's the lights on the bushes. They're a little bit further apart, they're not as tight, but you can see the bushes. And again, we are in pure white this year. I know a lot more places are going to pure white, but I don't know why they want to go to pure white, but that's where they're going. And so I just wanted to kind of show you how they attached them to the building, how they just made it look good. You know, you can look here, you can see how they did the candy cane all up and down the building. And again, they're just a real little bitty lights, and they're a bunch of them. All the way up and around is all just a cluster. It's just like a line of light, and I'll show you here closer on how they attached it to the building here. So you can see here, let's see if I can show you here. I'm gonna flip your camera around here so I can show you better. They just took it's like a plastic staple. You can see it's got a holder, and they just pulled them tight, and they just did that all the way down through here. You can see there's another one, and that's how they attached it all the way down and around the building there. So again, I wanted to just show you, sometimes you just never know what you might see in the windows, so don't be peeking in the windows. But again, I just wanted to show you these lights. They're pretty cool. Here's a bush here that I can kind of pull on them a little bit. You can see they're just like a cluster of lights, you know, just a whole big cluster of lights. So just something different. I never really seen a house or anything with this type of lighting, but I seen it. They are pure white. I know pure white kind of coming back in. So in the description down, or in the comment down there, let me know what you think, if you like pure white or not. I'm not a big fan of it. I know it was a fad when I first started Christmas lights, and it's starting to become a fad again. And I'm just down here at the Christmas light place in Pigeon Forge, and just wanted to show you some different types of lights.